So good morning everyone, and I I welcome everyone to this special show that we call Ask Dr. Lim. And this is the fifth episode. Without wasting any time, we will call Dr. Lim and see what questions we have for him today. Okay, let's go. Calling Dr. Lim. Good morning, Dr. Lim, and this is welcome to the fifth episode of Ask Dr. Lim.
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning.
So, how have you been, Doctor? Very busy.
Yeah, not to say busy. It's already 1 month, lockdown in the house, nothing to do. So do a lot of this preparing the lecture for the genotherapy and for this herbology.
Yes, and with these lectures and all these things, there are many questions that are coming up, and I hope you can answer them.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have here the first question for Dr. Lim, and the first question is, it is from Hem Khadka. This question is, good morning, Dr. Lim. I had teeth bleeding problem.
When we brush the teeth, okay, the blood come out, and sometimes the blood always coming. So there are a few problems that we should consider, Okay, first the infection of teeth. Sometimes the gum, everything, there's some infection then the bleeding will come out. Okay. Secondly is that whether you're using the toothbrush is of the right type or not. So this teeth bleeding, there are two problems. One is the problem of the gum. Okay, that is the thing. Actually, that's a small problem. Another problem is nothing to do with gum, but to do with the organs, especially the weakness in the kidney. Okay, and your stomach lining not very good also can cause this teeth bleeding. So two things you need to do. First is use our mushroom powder, algae. This algae powder. Okay, then use the powder to rub the gum, the gum. Keep it rubbing, then keep it for at least half an hour. Okay, this is one way of doing that. Secondly, you should take the products, maybe 12-RG, 12GL, and some spirulina to take care of the stomach and also the kidney system. Then this problem can be addressed.
I think so. It was clear. Okay, next question. We go to the next question, and this question is from Harsha Joshi. Dr. Lim, I have taken 2-4 RG, GL, and spirulina twice a day. I taken it for 5-5-5 since 1 year. Now last 3 months I have taken above mentioned form. So can I leave to take my hypertension, high BP tablets, if any harm? So the basic question is, can she stop her blood pressure medications because now she is on DXN supplements? Okay,
let me explain. When you are taking the high blood pressure tablet, you should not stop the tablet immediately. That's very risky. Okay, risky. Go Geronima take some time to balance the body. So after you're taking the Geronima, the blood pressure is already stabilized. Okay, so you should gradually lower down the this thing. So you cut down the consumption by half. Okay, let's say if you take two tablets a day, then slowly you reduce to one tablet a day. Then keep on monitoring your pressure. Okay, but after, let's say, after 2 weeks or 1 month, if the pressure is still okay, then you reduce again. Okay, then maybe from 1 tablet a day, you go for 1 tablet every 2 days, like this, slowly. Then after that, after a few months, then you stop.
You can taper it down, Yeah.
So you can schedule.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay, next question is from Alay Parik. Which products are very useful to minimize the menopausal effects, and what are the dosages?
This is a very common problem. Okay, so when we go aging, so we go for menopause, or even for women, even for men, So come to the age of 50 or something, then you started to face a lot of this emotional problem because of the hormone system in the body are out of balance. If the problem is a bit serious, you go for heart megasosis, 15 RG, 15 GL, and this 15 this spirulina. Okay, and if the thing is not so serious, just a normal menopause, it means 6 Rg, 6 GL, and 6 spirulina will do. And there are many cases we have faced so many such cases in our study. Yeah.
Okay, doctor.
Yeah.
Next question. Okay, so the next question here is from Rovelli Carlo from Italy, and he says, good morning, what kind of products to speed up your metabolism to burn fat? He wants to burn fat, doctor.
Yeah, I think this is also another study question. Now, to burn fat, two things, One is to increase your metabolism, okay, to burn the fat. Another most important thing is to complete your Krebs circle inside the body. That means to complete your digestion circle inside the body and to burn the fat. I will explain. To burn the fat, I think the best product is our black coffee. Okay, black coffee with the caffeine, everything, this thing, it can burn the fat very effectively. That's why black coffee, even in Arabs, there's one artist say that is the most tasty slimming products in the world. Then of course our RGGL spirulina also very good to burn the fat. Okay, so we advise the people maybe half an hour to 1 hour before the workout. Okay, you take the spirulina, take the RGGL, then you go for exercise. Okay, or before you take your meal, you take the products also before the meal. Many people, they don't take much, but the body still feel obese, everything. There is something wrong with the metabolism. Let me explain. But then after that, the extra sugar, extra this protein, fat, everything, they combine together and to store as fat inside the body, as an energy reserve. But some people, this process, they are short-circuited, okay, because the metabolism are not complete. Okay, halfway, the sugar, the protein, then the fat, they become fat prematurely. Now, then the problem is like this, okay. When it's short-circuited, then your body have not enough sugar. That's why some people they are very obese, but they are lack of energy. Then this a nutrient short-circuited, then the build of the body become weak, That's why some people they are obese, but the muscle are not strong, the bone are not strong. This is the reason. Yeah, the line not very good. Now that's why when a person is obese, you see, better if he's lack of energy, lack of strength, I mean it's nothing to do with food, it is the metabolism problem. And to solve this problem, you need a lot of this organic acid, like vinegars, organic vinegars, codipine, and morinzi, and all these things is very important, okay, because it will complete this metabolic circle. So taking this sour food is very important, okay, like vinegar, tamarind, lime, all these things is very important. It can burn the fat from your body. Yeah, next question, please.
So next question we go is question number 5. And question number 5 is from Buddharam Suryavanshi, and he wants you to guide him on the subject of infertility.
Yeah. This infertility is a very common subject, because nowadays out of every 5 couples married, and many of them within 3 years, one of them within 3 years cannot get a baby. It's a serious problem nowadays. We just have too many of these testimony, Like you see in the early days, some of our staff already 15 years, no children. Also after getting a product, get children. There also one doctor, I think also taken by this Professor Wasupal at her late 50, and she can still get a child with the help of Geronoma.
So, Doctor, would you like to tell that again, just about the cordyceps?
Yeah. Because traditionally, many people take RG, GL, and spirulina. Some of them take six pair, and that also get good result. But many of them, they take megadosage 15 pairs for both husband and wife. Okay. Then on top of that, if you can add in these cordyceps, another 6 per day, that will be good. Okay, next question, please.
Next question we go, and the next question is from Dinesh Verma. Warm welcome to Dr. Lim. I ask, what should I do in eye weakness as children are facing very much problem of high optical numbers like -9 or above? Is there a treatment in Shunya also?
Yeah. Now, this one actually, eye problem is a very, very common problem. Actually, in the early day, many of our members actually be using this Geronima to treat the eye problem. Okay, now you should go to the Facebook to see my instruction of genotherapy, how to prepare the saline, the saline, and also Geronima powder to soak the eyes into the powder. There's a few ways. First, of course, you prepare this eye drop. You drop it on the eye or wash the eye. Okay, mix it Geronima. Okay, in hot water. Wait for it to cool down. Put some salt. Okay, and do this eye drop. Secondly, take a lot of spirulina because spirulina is very good for the eye. So we have many testimony where the spirulina improve the eyesight a lot. Okay, now depend on the age, no? Depend on the age. After 12 years old, maybe you can take 12 per day. Okay, between 6 and 12, maybe take 6 pairs a day. Okay, and below 6, you can take about 3 per day. Okay, the most important thing is that take together with RGNGL. Yeah. The third method is using our Gena oil. Drop it in the eye. Drop it in the eye. 2 to 3 times a day.
Doctor, there will be no irritation on the eye, if I may ask you, with the Gana oil?
No, if you use saline water, there's no irritation.
Okay.
Use salt water, there's no irritation. But if you use fresh water, there'll be a lot of irritation.
Okay.
For oil, there's no irritation.
Question number 7 is from Anand Kumar. My Anand Kunmal Anand. Okay. My question is, are Nepali citizens who are starting DXN only by staying in Nepal, due to the lack of a system in Nepal, they are having a little problem, but there is a possibility of getting bonus of the initial PV as soon as the system starts? Is it possible that they will get their PV for the things that they have bought?
Of course, when we start in Nepal, it'll be as any normal this MLM. Okay, like we are going to reinstate back the old system, like what you are doing. But this time maybe we are going to match it with the Indian system so that we can manage the whole area in one management.
Okay, doctor. We go with the next question. And the next question, question number 8 is Sona Lohani. She had 2 questions and both related to pregnancy. For a pregnant lady, can they use all the DXN products? Second, for a pregnant lady, some have itching problem on their body. Which products are good for them?
Yeah, of course, all our products are good for pregnant lady. Okay, like RGGL, Spirulina, Cordyceps, even the pearl powder. It's also good to take the pearl powder if it's available in the countries. Okay, and they are very good for the pregnant lady. Okay, secondly is that when a pregnant, the body become, the skin become itchy, this is normally the lung problem. Okay, the lung get affected and all. So what you can do is that, so you can use this our Geno soup, okay, as during the shower, use it to wash the skin that is itchy, okay, or you can mix with Genonoma, put in some our massage oil, okay, make into face and rub the area of this itchy skin. Normally after a few treatment, it should become the itchiness should stop.
Okay, doctor. We go. Yes.
One more advice for the pregnant lady. So during pregnancy, also one more important thing is that using our Gena oil or using this virgin coconut oil, keep on soft massage the tummy, soft massage tummy. That will reduce the stretch mark. Otherwise, if you don't take off it after giving birth, the area, the skin become very clumpy, Okay, so when you massage with the oil and also with our virgin coconut oil, Okay, so that will reduce a lot the stretch mark.
Fantastic advice, doctor. Thank you so much for that. Now we go with the next question, and this is question number 9. We are almost coming to the end of the show. This is by Azadeh Yusuf, and it is to do with Shunya. Is it normal?
Sonia, okay.
Yeah. Is it normal after some time, following the breathing, no more feeling on the body and the presence of time? Did not realize the time flies. This is observing the process. I hope you understood the question, doctor.
Yeah, I understood. This is a very good question.
Yeah.
Now, we say, wow, this is a good progress, because when you come to this stage now, then you don't feel your body anymore, you don't feel the time, so you don't feel this thing. You already enter because samadhi stage. Okay, that is already go into this maha anapana smriti practice. That means you already go to you already come out from this small samatha vipassana. You already started to go into the big samatha vipassana. When you reach this step, your metabolism has come down, your breathing also becomes soft, becomes a thing, and you don't feel your body, because your mind already coming down to a very quiet stage now. And this is very good for us, because in this samadhi stage, okay, all our this thing had come out to a very quiet state. Then you can see things very, very clearly at this stage. When at this stage also, you stop reverse counting. No need reverse counting. Okay, stop it. Just absorb your breathing now. But sometimes the breathing also almost stop. You cannot absorb the breathing. Then you just focus on the body, focus on the feeling. Okay, and try to make your mind stay calm. Okay, that is the good practice. Okay, so the last question, Rajesh.
Okay, yes. So we go with the last question. This was a big session, and we have another question, and he's from your first Shunya Duta, Avnish Kumar.
Avnish Kumar, yeah.
So Avnish Kumar asks you a question. What is the meaning of witness? In Hindi we call it Sakshi, the third person in Shunya meditation. What is this significance? Because a lot of people, when they talk about Vipassana and all those, they always talk about this third person perspective, and you should have the witness and all. So if you throw some light on that, doctor.
You see, in our Shunya meditation, we don't practice imagination, we don't practice imagination, we do not practice feeling, we do not practice anything associated with our body and our senses. So we look at ourselves, as though that we are looking at someone else. Okay, it's like looking at someone else, and this kind of practice we call a third person practice. That means you don't feel that you are yourself. You feel that you are a third person, looking at yourself indifferently. I mean, you're looking at it now without any interference. Just look at it. So you feel happy. Okay, you know that this person feel happy. You feel painful. Say, oh, this person feel painful. You use this person. You don't use I. No, you take yourself as some other people. So actually, this is the basis of Vipassana. So I think today we have answered some of the question.
Amazing, doctor. Yeah. Thank you so much. You gave us 10 great answers. We did 2 episodes in one. No, we did 2 episodes in one. We had 10 questions in this episode, and thank you so much for the time. You have to understand that DXN is the only company where our founder, Dr. Lim, itne pyare insan, he is such a great person. He is not only intelligent in the science that he has studied, his engineering, but also his passion of medicine and herbology and so much. And then 50 years of practicing to mind and mind therapy is amazing. We have a master, we can learn from him. हम ऐसे इंसान से सीख सकते हैं. So बहुत बढ़िया आज का session रहा है. We had a fantastic session. 10 questions answered. Please be sure to listen and watch these episodes and learn from this, because I'm going to come up with a contest. Thank you for spending so much time with me, and hope I'm able to contribute in some way or the other in making sure that your lockdown is not a boring one. Bye bye. Take care. Namaste.